spacing between those guys. Whoa! That's a lot of air. Sheesh. Moved my leg. Taxiing out, guys. So, Frankie, you lead again because I want to see what you can do.
Oh, man.
Or you want me to lead? No, you do it. Seriously. Why the hell are we going all the way to BFE? What the hell?
What do you want to do? One after the other?
No, we can go together if you want.
Go.
Gear up. Gear down. Gear up.
There we go. Gear up. Okay. I had to force my gear to come down.
You with me?
Yeah.
Go.
Go. I'm behind you.
Go up a little bit. And whip it now.
Whip it. Oh shit! Look at you. I'm right over top you, buddy.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Oh, crazy guy.
Well, I gotta make sure to space, so there we go.
Alright, let's do something before you take the lead. Let's just do like...
No, I'm not taking the lead. You go.
I just want to do some nice low passes
Go.
together.
I just wanted to get some
Me on the
separation.
outside and-
Okay. Me on the inside,
Yeah.
towards the S, closest to S.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. I just wanted to get separation between us and the stray guy, which we did.
There we go.
You got some more weight to you.
I do?
Your pack.
It's a light one.
Oh, it's a 5500. Never mind. But there's something different about what you're doing.
Time remaining 2
Because your
minutes.
plane's picking up speed better than mine is. Alright, I'm with you now.
Go, I'll follow you.
What? No, I like following you.
Go.
Alright. You ready? Whipping it. Okay. Yep. Pretty dang cool. Not even trying, locked in.
Nope.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Alright, we have the air to ourselves.
30 seconds.
Alright, I'm going to do a power dive here. I'm going to whip it with no motor, but I'm whipping it. And then I'll motor up once I get almost level. Low level turn.
10, 9, 8,
Another turn low.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
There you go. Pulling up. Okay. This is going to be gravity the whole way. I'm not going to use motor at all. You ready? Oh, you're using your motor. What the hell? And then I'm going to drop the gear.
Gear down. Take off flaps.
Yeah.
Landing flaps.
I did a little more full throttle than you did, so I'm coming in. Look at that. Good stuff.
Flaps up.
Ooh, your battery's a little warm. 100 degrees. No, it's not bad. I'm just saying it's warm. You got a 5500, right? Oh, you're good. Okay. Was that you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Shit, that's gonna scare me. Yeah, I'm like, what the? There you go. It's so funny, you can hear the gear. It's such a slow trunnion. Nice. Ooh, you're showing me almost. Not quite buttery.
Yeah, because I dropped it at the end.
Cool.
I was really wary of this. I thought it was.
Right, I know what you mean. You hit the nose, you hit the throttle, and the nose goes down.
Yeah.